This is your reading for today. You are at a place where once you wanted to be. You are making your own decisions. You are planting the seeds for a future. It's also a very fertile period. Things that you are planning, doing, they are slowly and slowly gathering shape. There are some challenges in the background, but you have a fairly good grasp on how to deal with these challenges, right? And you're also taking stock of things that this is how I need to do, this is how I need to do, right? But what happens is that one day you are feeling like this. The next day, some challenge comes up which throws you off, and you feel that I'm not prepared to answer this. But just yesterday, you were feeling in control, steady, stable. And when these unforeseen situations come, and they are challenging because they are unforeseen and you are not prepared for it. When these situations come to you, what you want to do is you want to show your back and you say that I just want to leave everything and go away. I want nothing to disturb my peace. Okay? And in some situations, you are doing this also. But when you do this and apply this in your life and see it, because when you say that I don't want this anymore and I don't want to answer all these challenging questions and I just want to stay in my zone, when you do this, walking away from all the troubles and I have done enough and I don't want to face this anymore, when you do this, you find yourself back in the situation of challenges. You find yourself back in the situation from where you had walked ahead. And then you are frustrated, and then you're trying so hard to balance, and then you're asking that I was feeling so stable and steady, what happened? Why am I in this situation again? Now see, you are in this situation again because when the challenge came to you, you showed your back and went away. But showing our back does not mean that the challenge goes away. So we will find ourselves in the same position, looping in the same patterns where we once thought that now we had gone across. How do you manage the situation? How you manage the situation is whenever a challenge comes up to you, and it is coming to you, I can see that the cards are showing that these things are happening to you. One day you're feeling very steady, stable, in control of your life. And then the next day it's like, oh my God, what happened? Where is all this coming from, right? So when you have this situation, what you do is, don't show your back and run away. Stay. Even if you're unprepared, stay. How do you answer, handle, manage the situation? Go back to the point where you wanted what you have today. You already have lots of things today and you wanted them at one point in time. Go back to that place where you wanted this situation in your life that you already have today, and go back to that place and see that you were one day at a point where you were saying, I will never be able to cross this, I will never be able to manage this, I will never be able to answer these questions. But now you are at a place where you are able to, and you have walked ahead. So if you were able to do that, you will be able to do this also. Do not look at challenges as they are trouble and I must run away, finish it as soon as possible. No. Your earlier habit where there was a long period of trouble but you stayed invested, that is how you learned and grew and moved ahead. So welcome the challenges every day in your life because they are an opportunity for you to grow. If the challenges are not there, you will not grow at all. You will keep looping in those patterns and go back and see all those places. You learned only because of these challenges. You recognized your strength only because of these challenges. And you walked ahead in life because you stood and faced these challenges. So now again this is happening. This is the universe trying to test you that have you learned to see the challenges as opportunities of growth, or do you still want to escape? Make the choice. Break the pattern of staying in the loop. Meet the challenges head on, because a period is coming to you where you are not only going to be materially stable, but you are also going to be very clear in the vision you have for your life ahead. And this clarity is coming to you. It is coming to you by these daily challenges. These are coming. which are coming, and this is why these challenges are coming. There is this one clarity of vision that is required for you to plan ahead. There is one clarity of communication that is required. You have sown the seeds, you are in a steady place, you have a vision for the future. How will the vision work out? You have to also communicate the vision. You also have to have the right strategy, see the pros and cons, write it down, and not be afraid to speak it. And whatever is happening to you right now is only going to help you speak up for yourself, and that will be the next step that is required for you. Moving from the material stability into now becoming like a visionary for your own life, and then being able to speak about it without fear. Only when you are sure of yourself, you will be able to speak about it without fear, and these challenges are here exactly to put you in that space.